Here at Hansshow Installation Center in Orange County, and getting a auto-presenting door handle installed. So auto-present itself makes it a lot easier to enter your vehicle, automatically de-present itself when you're in the vehicle or you walk away. So to install this, it is a little intense. So you do have to remove the mirror, the door panel, and remove the inner part where the window modulator is located at, and remove that as well. So in order to get access to the door handle, so you remove the original door handle and then place the Hansshow auto-presenting door handle in. It's RBG and it can change color. So everything is assembled. It takes a few hours at the minimum, so highly recommend allowing the local shop to do it for you. So you're interested in getting this done, link in the description of this video, and definitely highly recommend this, especially if you have the Model Y or the Model 3, whether it's the Highland or the Juniper, it works for all. So once it's installed, you put everything back, including the window, the door trim, the window modulator, and also the door panel inside as well. And making sure everything is plugged in correctly is very important. You don't want to short circuit anything in the vehicle, so allow the professional to do it. And this is how it looks like. It looks absolutely amazing. Right now it's rotating between all the colors, and it auto-presents itself. Visible at night and daytime. Looks absolutely amazing. So again, if you have your hands tied with grocery bag, you can open it with just one finger without using a whole hand. Link in the description of this video if you're interested to purchase as well.